y'all, we're back with another video today. We're gonna head out, ride around. I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna ride around today, and you guys are gonna come along with us. Also, we met up with Bernard today. Say hey to the camera, Bernard.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
He's coming along the ride with us today. We're gonna introduce his bike, let him tell you a little bit about his bike or how long he's been riding. He's a subscriber here on my channel, so you know I love meeting new people. You guys know I'm all about your comments. I'm all about, you know, experiencing new things. So we're gonna do this together. Let's go. All right. All right, y'all. So we're gonna walk around Bernard's bike, and I'm gonna let him tell you about what he's done to his bike. He rides the Street Glide, so I'm gonna let him kind of tell you a little bit more about his bike. So. All right. So this is Bernard's Street Glide here. What you got done to it?
Oh, I had a 21-inch put on the front.
Okay.
And I also had the wraparound fender. I put the lowers on it. I had the stage 2 with the breather and the tuner. I also put the extended bags on it.
It's looking good.
And, just chromed it out a little bit, make it look good. And I've also put the 12-inch fenders on, the 12-inch bars on it, along with the chrome grips on it.
Got to do a lot of polishing, huh, on that chrome, huh?
No,
keep it clean.
Just a little wipe and it shine for itself.
But it looks good. How long you been riding for?
I've been riding 15 years.
15 years. All right. I'm going to get there one day, but that's okay. I've been riding for about a good 10 years, though, like I told y'all. Yeah, I just started on my Harley, though, but I'm definitely loving it every step of the way that I keep going to ride on it. I love meeting new riders. I love meeting old riders. You know, you guys, we can ride together. I know somebody asked me in the comments the other day, they was asking me what's the main difference coming from a street bike to a Harley. And like I keep saying, it's the weight. But the more I've been riding it, like that really hasn't fazed me a whole lot each time I continue to ride the bike. Other than the weight, just the sheer position that you're sitting in when you ride. But it's a more comfortable ride because you're sitting up, you're not leaning over. But other than that, it's nothing that's really different from a street bike to a Harley besides, like I said, the weight of it. But the more you ride it, the more you'll start being able to manage it and figure out how you're going to overcome it. And just practice your slow maneuvering. That is what's going to help you most when you're riding this bike. Like I said, I do watch a lot of Robert Simmons. I'm going to eventually try to get a ride with him one day, go down to one of his sessions. But you guys, you hit me up in the comments. Let me know. You know, I love meeting my subscribers and trying to ride with them. We can ride around town, the ones that's here in Fayetteville or nearby states or however it go. Like, just let me know in the comments. All right, we're getting ready to head out and get some wind on us. It's pretty warm out here. It's like 73 degrees. I'm not sure what the weather is today, but it's a nice day to ride. So we're definitely getting out to ride a little bit. Expensive hobby.
It is.
So
ain't nothing cheap on these bikes.
no, it's not. Not at all.
Have you had your service yet?
Yeah, we did. We had our first service. We had rode down to Blackjack, Florence, because that's where we got it from.
Oh, you got it free, right? You got a service free.
Yeah.
Now your next service, you're probably gonna have to pay for it.
Now,
Hey guys.
Bring my camera here, but I have my camera out here now.
I told my wife, I said, that looks like a lady off the YouTube channel. Bike, I'm finna get me one.
Thank you. Go ahead, get you one.
I got a motorcycle wreck about a year ago.
Oh, well, I'm glad you.
Yeah, I'm just healing up good.
Yeah. Of course, but yeah, that don't stop us. We get back on.
I didn't know you was from around here.
Yes, I am. I'm from here, and I love meeting people. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul. What's your name? Jamie. Hey, sweet pea. What's your name?
Oh.
Riley. Nala. Oh, that's pretty. I love that name. I love meeting Riley. Nice meeting you guys.
All right. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, sir. I love meeting people, y'all. Like, this is like one of the reasons why I'm doing this, because like there's nothing like riding your bike and meeting new people, you know, and people getting along. I'm all about positivity. I'm all about spreading love, and this is what it's all for. So I love it, y'all guys. Make sure y'all like this video, thumbs up this video, and there's gonna be more to continue to come. And like, if you guys see me out and about, just hey, Say hey to me, speak to me. Like, is that girl from YouTube? I've been getting that a lot. My name is Tiffany. You can call me Tip, Tiffany Renee. Look, whatever you feel, that's me. home safely. Thank God for that. Thank you guys for tuning in today for another video. Even though it was just a little simple video where we rode around town a little bit, got to meet some new subscribers. Y'all see me trying to get the filming off right. It's the quick release. I struggle with it sometimes, but I eventually get it. But back to what I was saying. Ooh. Thank y'all for tuning in. You get to meet some of my subscribers. I get to meet them. We get to meet them together. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Right at the bottom here. Make sure you guys thumbs up. Give it a like, comment. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to my already subscribers. Welcome my new subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Comment again. And I'll continue to make the content. Once again, Tip Squad, we're out.